Currently on the screen is another view from the Windy website, one or two models and a wind feature. This is across the next 4 days, and welcome to another update on the local weather scene via the Force 13's Australia Oceania team for Tuesday the 18th of July. The AU team have been helping with content on the Force 13's main channel. Earlier today we undertook a live streaming event considering what's taking place up there in the Northern Hemisphere. The Bureau of Meteorology via their high seas forecasts information service has a couple of deep low pressure systems to the south of Australia. The latest precipitation outlook via the GFS model or the information is available on the Tropical Tidbits website. Its owner operator is Levi Cowan. This is for the Eastern Australian and taking in the Southwest Pacific region and the North Island of New Zealand. Now we have a look at a wider view of the precipitation for the Australian region. And again, it looks like it's going to be the west coast of Tasmania. The Bureau of Meteorology at present does have some warnings in place. Precipitation for the Indian Ocean region. We have a sheep graziers warning for the Mount Lofty Ranges, West Coast, Lower Eyre Peninsula, Eastern Eyre Peninsula, York Peninsula, the Kangaroo Island, the Mid-North, the Riverland, Murraylands, Upper South, East and the Lower Southeast forecast districts. Strong wind warning currently will be issued for Tasmania, the Durham Estuary, Frederick Henry Bay, Norfolk Bay, Storm Bay, Channel, far northwest, central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin South, east of Flinders Island, upper east coast, lower east, southeast, southwest, and the central west coast. And for Wednesday, it will include a craft marine warning. We have a strong wind warning for the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria, Fraser Island, and down into the Gold Coast region, including Moreton Bay. Victoria, strong wind warning. West Coast, Central Coast, Central Gippsland Coast, East Gippsland Coast, and for Wednesday a gale warning will be in place. Sheep graziers warning for the southern tablelands, southwest slopes, Riverina, Snowy Mountains. And down in South Australia, Bureau of Meteorology has updated their severe weather warning for damaging winds for the following areas: Adelaide Metropolitan, Mount Lofty Ranges, Lower Eyre Peninsula, York Peninsula, Mid-North, Kangaroo Island, parts of the Eastern Eyre Peninsula, Murraylands District. Synoptic situation shows the deep low pressure system west of Tasmania will continue to move southeastwards today. Vigorous northwest to southwesterly airstream, associated trough wrapping around the northwestern sector. And here is the chart. Port Lincoln, Cleve, Whyalla, Port Pirie, Clare, Port Wakefield, Maitland, Kingscote, Adelaide and the Murray Bridge. The latest instability view out to 2200 hours Tuesday. Storm probability across the next several hours. Now this is a look at rainfall. The totals bottom left hand side of the screen. These are in 3 hourly blocks to 2200 hours tonight. And a Papua New Guinea Himawari satellite view of the region.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13 all in text and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13 and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.